today I am going to walk the length of Horseshoe Bay. It's only 23 miles. And I'm also going to continue along the dunes and try and get as far as Warwick Long Bay, which is a longer beach. It's actually about 0.6 miles, that one. And hopefully I'll be burning some calories. When you turn onto Horseshoe Bay Beach Road from the South Shore Road, this is your view. It's absolutely stunning. This is the cove area to the west of Horseshoe Bay Beach. It's perfect for those who want to avoid the surf of the main beach, and it's great for kids. I'm at the famous Horseshoe Bay in Southampton, Bermuda, where I'm about to burn some calories. It has been a few days. Today's Tuesday, October the 22nd, 2024, and I need to get moving. So it's a very blustery day today, and I'm not sure how good the audio is going to be captured, but nevertheless, I'm giving it a shot rather than have to do everything as a voiceover later on. So I'm about not quite halfway on the beach yet. It's pretty empty right now. Anyway, just so that I don't forget, my step count even before I got off on this walk was 1,076. And that's mainly because I took Lulu for a walk before coming down here. So yeah, I've got 1,076 steps on board already, so I'm happy about that. See how many more we add. So check out the rock formation over there on the western end of the Horseshoe Bay, and here on the eastern end of the Horseshoe Bay. The name, of course, Horseshoe Bay, is supposed to reflect the sort of general shape of this beach, sort of like a horseshoe. Not exactly, but sort of. So coming off of an exercise 4-day or so sabbatical and coming down to Horseshoe Bay to walk the dunes may not have been the best idea, but I'm here now. So I'm going to get somewhat of a workout. One thing about the trails down here on the South Shore is that they're easy to follow, which is nice. Anybody can take a little stroll, and there are diversions as well, detours. I will be coming across lots of picturesque coves along the way here, and this is the first one after Horseshoe Bay, the first one that I could see myself being able to access for a view anyway. But I think even access is a little tricky depending on how the tide is. This is what I mean by tricky access. Gotta step down all of this rocky stuff in order to get to the beach. The access to this one isn't too bad. Just that one major step right there. Well, I found a bench high up on this cliff overlooking this area. I don't think that beach is accessible at all, but it does look intriguing. Wow, surrounded by high cliffs. It's the second bench I've spotted on this walk. Lots lots of maintenance needed here. Oh my God, the grass is so high. Ooh. Very narrow little walkway that's been carved out here. Wow. I'm barely able to fit myself through it. And I'm hoping that it comes to a beach, because I don't want to have to walk back up. Yeah, I'm gonna go this way. Go left. Oh no. Oh yeah, maybe I can. Yep. Oh wow. I see a parking lot. I just saw a runner as well. He startled me. Okay, I'm gonna run in a circle. But there's the parking lot that I have to get to. I'm back to the beginning of that very narrow little walkway in a roundabout way. So I asked that gentleman right there for directions, and apparently I can get to Warwick Long Bay by following this path that I'm heading toward right now. Thanks a lot. Apparently this is the way to Long Bay from that parking lot. Now he said to stay left, but I do see a beach down there. It may be one of the coves as opposed to being Long Bay, but let's take a look. Yep, these coves, they all have names, but I am unable to tell you what the names are at this point. They need to have signs posted. I would equate plodding along through this soft pink sand the same as walking through a foot of snow with snow boots. That's what it feels like. Whew. Yep. Anyway, it's all good. So I made it to Warwick Long Bay. It is extremely windy right now. So hopefully you can hear me, but nevertheless, I'm going down on the beach just to show you the extent of Warwick Long Bay compared to Horseshoe Bay. This one apparently is 0.6 of a mile in length. So it goes all the way down there. It doesn't look that much bigger in reality to me, but hey, maybe the measurement is not actually taken along the shape of Horseshoe Bay. It's taken from point A straight to point B. That would make a difference. So here I am, getting to the top of the little hill from the beach. So when I reached the parking lot, the coves that I came upon at that point were probably these two coves, Chaplain Bay and Stone Hole Bay. So I'm getting close to the Horseshoe Bay entrance. Whew, thank goodness. At least I'm breathing a lot better now that I've been walking on a flat, regular road and not all those sand dunes. Gosh, that's a real workout, if nothing else. I am on the home stretch now. Thank goodness. Horseshoe Bay, just down the hill from here. So to wrap up episode 33 from high above Horseshoe Bay on South Shore Road, the total step count for today was 7,604.